This piece has a already fired layer of blue with red, the light blue that is underneath here. What I'm going to do is add a layer of underglaze on top of this fired layer of underglaze, and use that as to create a sense of layers and more complex colors that highlight the textures that I have in here. So I'm adding in this underglaze. I've already filled in most of this area with the green underglaze that's had a chance to dry. And then what I'll do is remove some of the underglaze from the surface here. Now, since the green is dark, it's going to take a few swipes of the wet sponge to remove that underglaze, but you start to see the color from underneath coming back through. The green is wiping away because it has not been fired yet. The red and the light blue here has been fired and thus is not wiping away. Now, this sort of technique can be done without the layers of underglaze underneath, and is often done to highlight textures in a piece that only has maybe a stain wiped onto a bisque-fired surface. This is a little bit more complicated because there's the multiple layers of underglaze, and provides a more rich combination of colors and textures. Now, once this dries a little bit, the green will be less noticeable, and once there's a glaze applied to the surface, it will make all of the colors a little bit deeper and a little bit more shiny because of the glaze, and that'll affect the look of the surface as well.